Hello everyone, welcome back and thanks for joining me for another Tom Voyage video. Now for today's video we've got something a little bit different. Rather than reviewing a pizza oven or cooking a pizza, I'm actually going to be telling you about the table that I use. This is called the Unity XL, it's from a brand called Keter, and I'm going to tell you why I choose to use it for my pizza oven table. So as my YouTube channel has grown, I tend to get a lot of questions about what type of table I'm using. So I thought I'd make this video to tell you a little bit more about this table. Now this table is primarily designed as a barbecue preparation table. That's why it's got things like a sauce holder, it's got a place for your kitchen roll. It's designed to prepare your food on. However, although it's not recommended, I've been using it for a few months now for my pizza ovens. So some of the reasons that I like this table is, number one, has to be the fact it's stainless steel. I've left this out in all weathers, uncovered, for at least 2 years now, and as you can see, it still looks great. There are a few marks and things on it, but that's to be expected. So this table is made out of a durable all-weather resin. It feels like plastic, but it's actually got a nice wood texture as well, which gives it a really nice look in your garden. It's also great because you can wash this down as well without worrying about it getting tarnished. Now the other great thing with this table is it comes with a sealed storage capacity in here. Now these are actually lockable, but as you can see, there's loads of room in there. That's 207 litres worth of storage in there, and if you include this storage area too, it makes a total of 298 litres of storage. Now obviously I've cleared mine out for the purpose of this video, but usually I use this to keep my charcoal in. I've got a box in here with all my OONI accessories, like the fire lighters, the lighter itself. It's really handy to have everything at hand. I also use this shelf to put my pizza paddles on. Once I've launched a pizza, they just nicely sit under there. Now it is on wheels, which makes it really easy to move. There's just 2 wheels at that end, so you lift it up at this end and you can move it from around your garden wherever you need to be. Also, if your ground is uneven, like we have here, the legs are adjustable. You can change the height of them depending on what surface you have in your garden. On the handle itself, it comes with these hooks. These are great, obviously, for hanging your tools on. Also comes with a nice bottle opener as well, which is a nice feature. So looking around this side of the table, we've got a tray here for all your sauces, and there's also a place here to put some kitchen roll for cleaning up. Then looking towards the back of the table, as you can see, we've still got this wooden finish, but this is just a back panel. There's no doors on the back here. So now I'm going to show you which of the OONI pizza ovens fit onto this table. I actually bought this before the OONI specific tables came out. Those tables from OONI are really good and they're the perfect size, and they're actually designed to hold the ovens on. If you wanted to know more information about those, you can click the link in the description below. So as you can see, this is the OONI Karu 12 that we've got on here. When I'm using it with the Karu 12, I either use it this way, which is slightly on an angle, or sometimes I'll use it that way and serve the pizzas from this direction. But that just gives you an idea of what size the table is. Oof, that is heavy, this oven. Right then, this is the OONI Karu 16 we've got on here now. It's one of OONI's largest ovens, but as you can see, it still does fit just onto the table here. This oven weighs about 30 kilograms. It's really heavy, but as you can see, the table supports it fine. It's also nice because it's got the stainless steel top. If you did drop any coal or anything onto here, it's not going to burn or damage it. Okay, so next up we've got the OONI Koda 16. Now this is OONI's widest oven. The distance between the legs is the biggest span out of all the OONI ovens. And as you can see, it fits on an angle, but really for me, I wouldn't be happy having this oven on here. If you check on a lot of the Facebook forums and things online, people have adapted this table by putting wood on the top and making brackets on the side and things to fit these ovens. But really, straight out of the box, you can't be using this oven with this table. If you did want to double check it for yourself, the dimensions of this table is the width is 124 centimeters, the depth is 54 centimeters, and the height is 90 centimeters. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to give me a like and a subscribe. Also, if you've got any comments or questions, leave them in the comments section below. Now, before we close up this video, I'm going to show you a time lapse of me building this because it actually comes as a flat pack piece. So yeah, if you want to see that, stick around.